Hello everybody, it's Mindy and it is time for Fantastic Fansells Finds. Yeah, this is from Fansells. I got quite a few things here to show you and I have some great stuff. Love it. Okay, let's get to it. What did I get? Let's start with the smallest thing. Let's go small. All right, so I ordered these. I thought, why not? I never know when you might need these. I think these are all the DMC codes and stickers. So if you're going to do some storage, well, excuse you. That's my dog. If you're going to do some storage and you need some stickers, why not? These are great. They were like a couple bucks. So we have numbers 1 through 99. If you like numbers and you just kit up by numbers, you can do that. 99 colors, that would be a lot. Anyhow, here's all the DMC codes. And they're color coded, like, color coordinated to what color the drill would actually be. Let's test that theory. Let's test a couple we know. Where's 550? 550. Right there. Beautiful purple, purple, purple. Yep. So why not, right? Handy to have around in case you need to store some things, store your drills, whatever. You don't have to write them on cards. Hey, what, All right. Let's look at this guy. This guy looks like fun. I think he's a Halloween painting. Halloween is right around the corner, so I've been looking at Halloween stuff. There's lots of cute. Ooh, this one's a nice canvas. I like it. It's pretty flexible. Love it. Here's our tool kit. I don't have these out of the packaging. Oh well, There you go. Here's our drills. They come in strips. And here's the painting. Here we go. Look at what we have. I couldn't resist. There are so many cute little Halloween gnomes. Let's see if we can get some wrinkles out of plastic so you can see it better. I normally do this ahead of time, but I don't know. I didn't. What can I say? I didn't. There it is. Look at how cute it is. So this guy's got a pumpkin and they're brewing something here. It looks like this one has a book of spells. They got a candle. They're ready. They are spooky for Halloween. It's got 24 colors. Legend on both sides. All letters. So pretty cute. There are some really cute Halloween gnome paintings, you guys. I mean, there's a lot. Anyhow, super cute. Love it. Look how clear. Focus. My camera. Camera focus. It says no. Why don't you want to focus, camera? I don't know. There it goes. This new phone, it's really good. It does a really nice job. Sometimes you just gotta be patient with it. Love it. Like now, see? Blurry. Why? Why are you blurry? I don't know. Touch the screen, what happens? Oh, touch the screen, it focuses, just like that. Although it makes it go wah, 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 wah. Anyhow, that's what we have. Here's our colors. I'm not going to open all these. Oranges, purples, greens, browns, grays, blues. There's our colors. Love it. Cute. All right. Let's move on to something a little different. What do we have that's a little different? Let's move on to this guy right here. I've been anxiously awaiting this because I like the items coming on wood. And this is a wood item. Love it. So, get it out of the bag here. Here's our drill tray and stuff. Special drills. Cute little bag. We got a nice little shoestring hanger tie thing. And you can tell it's a cross, right? On the wood. Love the wood stuff. There it is. How pretty. I think that's going to be super pretty. They had several different styles. The cross was the same, but the colors and the pattern was different on them. I think it's going to be beautiful. And then you put your little string right there and you hang it. I love it. Love it. It's so pretty. See if I can touch the screen without making it go wiggly. There we go. That's all it takes. I just touch the screen and it focuses. Love it. I'm learning all kinds of new things about the camera on this phone. I love it. I mean, seriously. I just learned just the other day that when I turn it around into selfie mode, It doesn't record backwards. Are you kidding me? Wow. Okay. I'm loving it. I'm telling you. All right, here we have our colors. But I like the color palette of this one. Blues and pinks. Some gold colors. Green. Pink. So it's pink, yellow, and blue, basically. Like gold, pink, and a blue color. Love it. And we have a couple more little champagne color there. I think it's going to be super pretty. I like it. So we'll give that a go at some point in time. And like I said, they had several. I'm going to put this right in here, and I won't lose it. Several color combinations. Check them out. Okay. All right. On to this. You know what this is. You can probably tell already. I am trying to get all of these. This is one I wish I had flattened out for you, but it is back to school time, folks. Back to school time. What comes with back to school but apples? And oh boy, do we have apples around here. This is perfect. Let's have some apple cider. I wonder if I could make apple cider with my crab apples. I don't know. We got so many of them. But look I love this one. It's just a mug of apple. I'm calling it apple cider. Back to school. September. Love it. Somebody just completed one of these. They completed October, and they put it in our Facebook group, Diamond Moments and Crafts. If you haven't been, go. It's a great place to hang out. They completed the October one, and it looks super good. It's so cute. I love it. It's making me really jealous that I have done none of these. I'm in the process of collecting all of them. I have to check it off my list. Check it off my list. All right. So really, colors. I mean, we got green and white, some brown, and red. That's it. Green, red, brown, right? It is the colors that you see. All right, so no need to really take those out. Although I got a little pink here. Oh, look, for like these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 drills. Pink. All right, so there's September. Check it off the list. All right, what's next? What is next? Thank you, Fansells, for continuing to work with me and allowing me to show your great products. When I go looking for stuff, I always go to new first. I mean, I want to find the new stuff, you know? And then if there's nothing that's catching my attention in the new section, then I'll go hunting for stuff. You know what this is going to be? We have 2 tassels for 2 bookmarks, and here are our bookmarks. Oh my goodness. Are you ready for fall? Can you say fall, y'all? There you go. There's one little guy with his sunflower and pumpkins. And here's his friend. And he's a sunflowery guy too. Cute, right? Super cute little bookmarks. I had to try these. Cute little Gnome bookmarks. Love those. How cute are they, right? All right, let's look at their drills. They're going to share drills, I bet. If I can get them open, I'll show them to you. Ooh, I see some pretty stuff in here. All right, here we go. Here's what we have. We have some amber color rhinestones. White iridescent AB pearls. Love them. Clear. Green. Orange. Gold. Yellow. Bluey smoke color. Orange. Then we have some pretty gold marquise, some bigger gold marquise, deeper gold, lighter gold, deeper gold, smaller, larger. And then we have those. Those are cool. I'm not certain I've ever had that color. No. I think they're going to go right here. Around his hands. Those are his hands, right? Yeah. Cute. I love it. There were several sets of gnome bookmarks, and I just got one. Yeah, might see more later. I don't know. I don't think I've actually ordered any more yet, but you never know. All right, and then we have things in boxes. I'm going to tell you guys right now, somebody's going to start getting some of the things in boxes. I went through my craft room, not my craft room. I don't have a craft room. I went through my spare bedroom where I have all my stash, And I actually went through boxed items and I took out a bunch. And I'm going to be like selling them in like some mystery kits, I think. So stay tuned for that when I get organized enough. All right, special drills. We have lights, perfect. We have a chain to hang it by. We have the foam to attach this, that attaches this so that it stays on there, right? Because you're gonna hang it. So you don't want your light box just dangling around, right? So you wanna fasten it. Okay? Another toolkit. What'd I get? Something with goo on it. All right. See the holes? Holes. What are the holes for? Lights. Put your lights through there. Okay. Isn't it adorable? I love it. Love it. Very Eastery. I mean, I got the Easter eggs, but it's in this wooden bucket. It's so cute. We got flowers. And then who can resist two little chicks? Okay. They've got a ton of Easter ones. Come on, folks. Come on. We need some cute, cute little Halloween and some cute, cute little Christmas. There are a few, but you know, the Easter ones are kicking it out of the park. Seriously. Love this. Okay. Let's look at its drills. It's got a lot of special drills up here in the flowers. Love that. So what colors do we have? Pink, blue, yellow, green. Right? All right, here we go. Clear. Let's start with clear. There's our pinks. Pink, pink, and pink. And orange. And then we have green, green, blue, orange, brownish, amber color. Yeah, wood, right? I have to have that. More pink, more blue, more green, golden yellow, bigger golden yellow, pretty blue ones. I love those. I got flat tops on them. They're pretty large. I love those. Oh yes, they're gonna go here, aren't they? Do. What are those? Bluebells, violets, I don't know. Some clear. Oh, look at these. Those are beautiful. Beautiful. They're gonna go up there too in the blue flowers here. Then we have these. They're gonna go up here in these flowers, right? You can see where those are going. And then these are for our centers. Love it. Love it. Isn't it adorable? I love this one with the chicks on it. I love it. It's cute. So that is my fantastic Fansells finds for you. I will link all of them below if you find something you're interested in so you can find it quickly and easily, unless they're sold out. If they're sold out, I can't find a link to it, but you know, hopefully they're not. Hopefully they're not. So what is 16? What is 16? Blue? We got blue dots on our bucket. Ah, to represent like metal screws or that's not the word I'm looking for. You know, those things. Anyhow, thank you for watching. I hope you come back. And if you did come back, you've been here before, I'm glad you're back. Thank you for coming back. All right. I hope you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.